Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to play School of Dragons again. Open the launcher, sign in with your original account, or create a new one, then update the client. Clear cache if loading stalls and verify that required ports and permissions are enabled. If you used parental controls, temporarily disable them. Keep a backup of your login info and consider linking an email for easier recovery later. Try to recover your account by using the original email and any usernames you remember, then use the password reset tool. If the automated methods fail, gather screenshots, purchase receipts, or character names to support your claim. Be patient with response times and keep polite, clear messages to support. Consider creating a new account if recovery is impossible and link an email address to prevent future lockouts. If this guide is helping you, please subscribe and like. It really helps. Quick recommendation. Life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's Black Ice for a fresh ride during long gaming commutes. It's a small comfort that makes logins and patch waits a little sweeter. Check the description for the product link and other deals, and thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. If the game crashes, reinstall the launcher and run it as administrator, then test again. Update your graphics and audio drivers and lower settings if you hit performance drops. For login problems, check the server status and retry password resets while ensuring your firewall allows outbound connections. If a specific bug persists, search community forums for a targeted workaround or temporary mod that addresses the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.